back to the No Limit Crypto channel. In this video we are going to take a look at Cardano. Cardano is going to have a big move soon. So if you enjoy these daily cryptocurrency videos, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's get right into the charts. So we have this nice symmetrical triangle forming on Cardano. We finally found some sort of market structure, and with that structure came this pattern. And this pattern is super important for us in the longer term. I think this could be the pattern that decides if we enter a longer downtrend or we keep on going on this uptrend. So, and there's also one tiny important thing that we can look at right now with this move right now that is happening right here, this candle. So this candle has done something major. It's obviously not confirmed yet, but it has again closed above the 200 EMA on the 4-hour chart. So as I said yesterday, the 200 moving averages are often used to recognize trends. Being above the 200 moving average is a uptrend, and being below the 200 moving average is a downtrend. And this is the exact reason why I think this move is more important than other moves have been, because we are obviously still on the 4-hour time frame, so we haven't done anything major moving towards a downtrend on the daily, but we have to start on the lower time frames to then enter a downtrend on the larger time frames too. So in this one, you can see, if I draw this a bit further, let's say that this 200 EMA continues something like this. What can we see in the end of this triangle? We can see that we are going to make a decisive move either to the upper side of the 200 EMA or below the 200 EMA. So that is going to be a really confirming thing if we are staying above or below. Above is an uptrend, below is most likely going to be a downtrend. So let's look at the target for this triangle right now. Let's go back to the daily chart and look at the target. So we take a target from where we think that the triangle has started to the bottom, and then we move it up here. So assuming that we break this triangle right here at the end, we would be looking at a $3.50 Cardano, which is obviously nice. That would mean an all-time high. That would confirm that we are going to keep on going up, and at that point we can absolutely start looking at price predictions. So if this pattern breaks to the upside, I'm 100% going to take a look at price predictions for Cardano for this year. But if we break to the downside, we are looking at $1.40. So that would mean going under $2, under 180, and closing in on this $1.20 mark. And also, actually, I just took it away, but that could mean that we go under the 200 EMA on the daily chart. And at that point, a downtrend is almost 100% confirmed. Obviously, we can already make assumptions once we start going under the $2 mark that the downtrend has really started, and it's not just a normal correction anymore. But those are the things for the future. Let's not get ahead of ourselves and think everything is going to be bad. But the support that I'm looking for us, if we want to really stay on this uptrend, we need to hold this $2, $2.10. So I decided to draw it as a range because there is a lot of volume. We can see this volume spike here on the right. So there was a lot of volume at $2.10. So that is a support line or resistance line. In this case, support. But I decided to draw it as a range just because I believe that the $2 Cardano is such a big psychological level for us at this stage. So breaking that is almost confirming that we are going to enter a longer term downtrend. But to the upside, it is not all roses either. We have a strong resistance line right here on, it's a $2.83. And the $2.83 became a major resistance line because we had that market manipulation drop. We made this big candle. And very often at the end of at the start of those candles, there has to be a lot of volume. And at those levels, we create supports or resistances. So that was all from me. Keep an eye on the triangle and where we're going to go. It might take a couple of days for it to break. We're still looking at a 5-day possibility here. Might break earlier, but keep an eye on it. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Peace out.